Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Cooper cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task ensures you breathe fresh air inside your car. You will need a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Having a vacuum cleaner nearby can also be helpful for tidying up any loose dirt during the process. Let's get started and improve your driving experience. First, locate the cabin air filter housing. It is typically found underneath the passenger side dashboard, often behind or below the glove box. You will see a small plastic box. Carefully release the two plastic clips on the front of the cover, or remove any small screws if your model has them. Once released, gently fold down or remove the cover to reveal the old filter. Now, with the housing open, carefully pull the old, dirty cabin air filter straight out. Pay close attention to the direction of the airflow arrows on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Before inserting the new filter, you might want to quickly vacuum any leaves or debris inside the housing. Then, slide the new filter into the tracks, ensuring its airflow arrows point in the same direction as the old one. With the new filter in place, carefully close the housing cover. Make sure the two clips snap securely into position, or reinstall any screws you removed. This entire process usually takes less than 10 minutes. For optimal air quality, it is recommended to replace your Mini Cooper's cabin air filter every 15,000 miles or at least once a year. Enjoy your fresh, clean cabin air.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.